My name is Idris, a student of diagnostic radiography at the University of Maiduguri. On this day, November 8, 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen accidentally discovered X-rays. X-rays are electromagnetic radiation that passes through objects and projects images of the objects according to their density. Within a couple of weeks of X-ray discovery, Roentgen had managed to obtain rudimentary images of his hand and later that of his wife, clearly showing her bones and wedding ring. Radiographers are highly trained medical personnel that use X-rays to generate detailed body anatomy for the purpose of diagnosis and also therapy. There are various specialties in radiography. Computed tomography, co-discovered in 1972 by Dr. Godfrey Hounsfield and Alan Cormack. It is an imaging modality that creates cross-sectional 3D images of internal organs, clearly showing bones, soft tissues, and blood vessels. The magnetic resonance imaging, first invented by Raymond Damadian in 1977, it uses a strong magnetic field and radio frequency to generate images to diagnose diseases of the brain, the spinal cord, and musculoskeletal conditions. There is also the nuclear medicine, which is a specialty in radiography where radioactive drugs known as radiopharmaceuticals and a special camera, which is the gamma camera, is used to assess how the body functions. We have sonography, which employs the use of infrasound machine that uses high-frequency sound waves to generate real-time images of internal organ or tissues of the body. Also, the mammography, which uses low-dose X-ray to detect cancers of the breast even before the patient notices symptoms. Other specialties include bone dosimetry, angiography, fluoroscopy, veterinary radiography, industrial radiography, interventional radiography, and so many more. Radiographers are dedicated professionals peering into a world unseen by most using X-ray vision. These professionals are low-key superheroes in the healthcare field, providing vision and diagnostic clarity to some of the most vexing conditions. Today is a day celebrated not just by radiographers but radiologists and everyone connected to the medical imaging and radioactivity. Medical imaging is a fast-evolving space of the medical profession where everyone has a role to play. Everywhere we are, no role is too small. Just keep advancing and innovating. For all of us from Nigeria, we say Happy World Radiography.